Okay, how to replace a taillight bulb on a 2018 Kia Sorrento. Get back in here. See this access panel? Yeah, okay. Take a screwdriver or something sharp. Pop it open. And there's gonna be two 10mm screws. You unscrew them. While I unscrew them, once they're unscrewed, it could be really easy or really hard to pull it out, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull back the tail light. It has two push-in pins on that side inside, so you got to pull them out. You got to start wiggling. Just pull it straight back. There you go. And there you go. Now you can disconnect the harness by just pushing and pulling. Oh, you push right here. Like that. And I'm interested in the brake light. No, that's the turn signal, because it's amber. This one's the brake light. So you twist. Wow. And pull. And you can see it's a little, I don't know if it burnt. But this one actually worked. The other one burned out. Well, I'm replacing both of them. And then you pull it out. Then I got the LED one. Push it back in. Twist it. Stick it back in. Twist it and put your harness back in, or your connector, whatever it's called, harness connector, and reverse the process. See these ones? They go in there. That's what's holding it. It goes back in easy. Just aim and push, and then screw it back in. And you're done. Let's see if it worked. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.